Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all the fellow humans. Today we will be exploring the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Al-Mubdi. Allah is the originator of all. He creates without model or material. In the beginning, before the time or space, Allah existed. There was none other than He, none who could profit Him or hurt Him. There were no models of things to be, nor material to make them form. Allah Most High, to manifest His existence, to make known His beauty and perfection, and to make felt His love and compassion, created the creation and produced the first models. In order that the creation proliferate and continue, He made each original creation a means of perpetuating its own kind in accordance with causes, conditions, and canons of a divine order which He also created. Those who think of these means as the originators of things that exist and think of nature as God must contemplate what it is that moved the void, who charged the proton and the electron, what force is that is inexhaustible, that sustains the continuity of the things. Servants inspired by this attribute must seek to understand their origins. How from nothing did we and everything else came to be? Creatures that live, grow, see, hear, speak, think executively in perfect order. And such servants must confirm that none else but Allah, the originator of all creation, without the influence or help of anything, is responsible for all this. Anyone who thinks of attributing a partner to Allah becomes guilty of the only unpardonable sin. So who is Abdul Mubdi? Is the servant who receives the secrets of the originator, to whom Allah reveals the origin and the source of everything, and who becomes a witness to the beginning of everything. So if a person is uncertain of a decision which he is about to take, recites this name 1000 times, he may be able to decide correctly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.